The benefits of working with a law firm as opposed to an individual lawyer are something that is hard to overestimate. It really is, because of the additional capacity to function, the additional capacity to take care of everything that has to be taken care of to prosecute the case in a timely and effective manner. And what do I mean by that? Understand that a law firm runs almost like any other business. You have a lot of work that has to be done. The work has to be done in a timely manner. But when you have an individual lawyer, that individual lawyer is often stretched in many different ways. They will have many different types of cases often going, and then they have the administration that they have to run of paying all of their bills and doing all the things that it takes to actually run their business. So that limits their capacity to function. When you're dealing with a case that's as serious as TBI or traumatic brain injury cases, it's a real problem for individual practitioners, because most individual practitioners have to do things on a day-to-day basis to keep the office open. They have to have cash flow regularly coming in to keep the office open. While they're doing that, typically brain injury cases, these cases that are the most severe of cases, these that take the most money to put together and the most time to put together, they will simply sit on the back burner while that lawyer chases the next fee to pay the paralegal or to keep the office open. It is exactly the opposite of what these cases require. For these cases to be successful, the lawyer has to be able to invest the resources, and they've got to be able to invest the resources up front, and that means money, and that means lawyers' time. It does not mean simply that they will let the case sit until they get around to it. These cases are grown like you grow a garden. You have to make sure and water the garden and weed the garden. You have to make sure that the client is getting the medical care that they need. You have to make sure that you are developing the damage model that you need to show exactly how this person is injured and what the effect is on their life. You have to be able to hire the experts you need to hire to get the medical information necessary to prove up the case. All of that is expensive, all of that is time consuming, and it's all required up front. If you don't, as a lawyer, you have a potential of wasting an opportunity. You have a potential of harming the case. If you're looking at this and you're a lawyer and you have a significant traumatic brain injury case, please partner with somebody that can handle the case. Do your client a favor, do yourself a favor, and do that. I promise you, your results will be so much better if you do it. One of the things we've done at the McCraw Law Group is we have organized our case production in a way so that we can focus our time and attention on the biggest of the big cases when they come in. If that's a traumatic brain injury, if it's a wrongful death or a bad burn, we have the resources that we have to put that case together in a timely manner and in an effective manner. Find somebody who has the resources to really help you. There are a lot of people that mean well, and a lot of people that want to do well, but if they don't have the resources, it's simply not going to happen.